Greetings, this is Bruce with a tutorial on how to install Screencastify on your Chromebook. You open up your Google Chrome, type in Chrome Web Store, and then go down and select Chrome Web Store. Once that's open, go up to the search, type in Screencastify. There it is. And then you go over to the right side of the screen, select Add to Chrome, and add extension. Okay, Screencastify has been added. So we go over here to the little film icon, select that, and we need to set up our camera access. Go over here and select Allow. Where to store recordings, we want to put them in our Google Drive, which is already selected. We'll hit Next. And go to Sign In. And with that, I'm going to go up here and open Screencastify. Just double click on the icon. Still wants us to sign in. I'll try closing this browser and reopening a new one. It'll stay open. Select the Screencastify icon by double clicking. Now we'll go ahead and sign in with this account and allow. Now you're a student. Say you're over 13 and select OK. Now we'll go up to the Screencastify icon, double click, and to record, we want to select Cam, and we also want to select Show Preview Window, and then Record Webcam. It'll have a little countdown, and now you'll be recording. So you do your recording as whatever you'd like that to be. Select Stop, and that will save your recording on your Google Drive. And that's it. Thank you.